In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact support in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money provides multiple ways to reach support, either directly through the app or using email, depending on your issue and preference. To contact support on desktop, log into the Monarch Money web app and click Help and Support in the bottom left corner. This will open a chat window where you can describe your issue, request help from an agent, or submit a support ticket for email follow-up. You can also visit the Help Center for self-service support articles. It includes guides for common issues like account connections, billing, and troubleshooting, and you can search for answers directly. If you prefer email, you can contact support by sending a message to their official support email. Make sure to include details like screenshots and account information so they can assist you faster. Using these options helps you get quick solutions depending on the urgency of your issue. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.